Hello everyone and welcome to this video by Intellipaat. In this video, we take a look at what is Apache Spark. Imagine you work for a carpool like Uber. Thousands of drivers and riders are constantly using the app, generating massive stream of data. Apache Spark can be employed to process the data as it arrives. Apache Spark is a powerful tool that helps to work with huge amount of data much faster than before. It processes vast amount of information super fast and performs complex tasks. It's the secret behind many real-time applications, making our digital experience much smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. So the agenda for the day is, firstly, we would start seeing what is Apache Spark. Moving on, we would learn why use Apache Spark over Hadoop. Next, we will see the features and application of Apache Spark. Lastly, we have some of the use cases of Apache Spark. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates from us.
Now let's start with the first topic. What is Apache Spark? Apache Spark is a powerful tool used to handle large amount of data effectively. It's like a supercharged engine for processing big data. Spark is indefinitely scalable, making it a trusted platform for top companies and even tech giants like Microsoft, Apple, and Facebook. Spark can process data much quicker than older methods like MapReduce. It's like upgrading from slow old computers to super fast new one. The secret to its speed is that Spark stores and processes data in memory instead of constantly reading and writing it from the disk. Imagine having all the important information right in front of you, ready to use instantly, instead of searching for it in different files. Spark is versatile and can be used for many tasks. It's like having one tool that can do a lot of jobs, like handling database, running machine learning programs, working with graph, analyzing real-time data, working with complex network, building AI applications and more. One of the key features is that it can divide the work among many computers, making it a super scalable. It also makes sure if something goes wrong with one computer, the whole process won't fail. Spark is also really friendly to data analysts and data scientists because it provides easy way to use popular programming language like Scala, Java, Python and R. Spark keeps data in memory instead of constantly reading from and writing to the disk. This makes it incredibly fast because accessing data from memory is much quicker than accessing it from the disk. In simple terms, Apache Spark is a super speedy and a powerful tool for handling large data. It makes data analysis and processing much faster and easier. Moving on, the next topic is why use Spark over Hadoop? Spark is like a super fast and a versatile tool for handling data. It can run programs much faster than Hadoop, which keeps the data in the memory. It can be up to 100 times faster or even 10 times faster when using disk storage. Just last year, Spark proved its speed by completing a big contest called Dayton Gray Sort. It sorted a massive amount of data, 100 terabytes, 3 times faster than Hadoop. And it did it all by using only 1/10 of the machine that Hadoop needed. That's like finishing a task much quicker with fewer resources. But then Hadoop and Spark both are important tools for handling big data, but they serve different purposes and can complement each other. So here are some of the key differences between Hadoop and Spark. First one, performance. Spark is much faster than Hadoop because it keeps the data in the memory instead of reading and writing to disk. This allows Sparks to process data up to 100 times faster than the smaller task. Next we have cost. Hadoop is generally more cost effective since it uses various types of disk storage for data processing. Spark on the other hand can be more expensive as it relies on in-memory processing which requires a lot of RAM. Then we have processing. Hadoop is greater for batch processing and handling linear data. Spark is ideal for real-time processing and working with live unstructured data stream. Then we have scalability. When data grows rapidly, Hadoop scales quickly. Using its Hadoop distributed file system, Spark also relies on HDFS for handling large volume of data. Then we have security. Hadoop offers multiple methods for authentication and access control, making it overall more secure. Spark provides authentication via shared secret or event login, but integrating with Hadoop, it improves the security further. Lastly, we have machine learning. Spark is a better choice for machine learning tasks because it includes MLlib, a powerful library that can perform iterative in-memory machine learning computation. It offers tools for regression, classification, pipeline construction, evaluation, and more. So we can say that Spark is faster, better for real-time processing and machine learning, but it can be more expensive. Hadoop is more cost-effective and works well for batch processing and is generally more secure. Both have their strength and their choice depends upon the specific need of data processing task at hand. So moving on, let's see some of the features of Apache Spark. Firstly, we have fault tolerance. Spark is smart and resilient. If any computer system fails, it can still complete the task by using a plan it created earlier, so it does not lose progress even if something goes wrong. Then we have lazy evaluation. Spark is really smart about how it processes data. It does not do the work immediately. Instead, it plans out all the steps and then do them with more effective way possible. Next, we have real-time stream processing. Spark can handle data that comes in real time, like stream data from social media or sensors. It can process this data just as quickly as it handles traditional batch data. Then we have speed. Spark is super fast because it uses the computer memory to do most of the work. This makes it up to 100 times faster than older methods. Next, we have in-memory computation. Spark can keep the data in memory, which makes it more faster and more efficient. It can also save immediate result for further tasks, making things even quicker. Cost efficiency. Spark is open source, so it does not require any special license. This means organization can use it without worrying about additional costs, making it a cost-effective solution. Moving on, let's see some of the applications of Apache Spark. Social media analytics. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram generate enormous amount of data every second. Spark can quickly process this data in real time, identifying trending topics, analyzing user sentiment, and providing valuable insight for businesses and marketers. For example, it can help companies understand what product or services are being discussed most positively by customer, helping them to improve marketing strategies. Then we have recommendation system. Whenever you browse an e-commerce website or stream content on platforms like Netflix or YouTube, Spark is working behind the scene. It analyzes your past interactions such as product purchase or shows watched and uses this information to recommend products or content tailoring your interest. This personalized recommendation system increases user engagement and satisfaction, leading to higher customer retention and sale. Next, we have fraud detection. In financial sector, Spark plays a crucial role in detecting and preventing fraud. By processing and analyzing real-time transaction data, Spark can quickly identify suspicious patterns. For instances, if a credit card is used for purchase in multiple countries within a short time frame, Spark can flag it as a potential fraud and alert the cardholder or the bank. Then we have predictive maintenance. In industries like manufacturing and transportation, Spark plays an important role. Spark helps predicting machineries or vehicles needed to maintain. By analyzing sensor data and equipment performance in real time, Spark can detect early sign of potential failure. This allows company to schedule maintenance proactively, reducing downtime and saving costs on reactive repairs. Then we have healthcare analytics. Spark is used in healthcare to process and analyze vast amount of medical data, such as patient record, clinical data, and medical research. It can assist doctors in making accurate diagnosis and suggest personalized treatment plan based on patient's medical history and genetic information. Next, we have real-time gaming. In online gaming, Spark is employed to handle massive amount of data generated by players such as in-game action, interaction, and purchases. By processing this data in real time, Spark ensures a smooth and responsive gaming experience, enhancing player satisfaction and engagement. The next one is traffic optimization. In smart cities, Spark is used to process data from traffic sensors and cameras placed on the road. It analyzes real-time traffic pattern to optimize traffic signals and suggests best route for vehicles. This helps to reduce congestion and improve traffic flow, making computing faster and more efficient for residents. Apache Spark capability in real-time data processing and analytics makes it powerful and a versatile tool used in wide range of applications, spanning from social media to e-commerce to healthcare and smart city solution. Its ability to handle large volume of data efficiently and providing timely insight drives innovation and efficiency in various industries. Now let's see some of the industry-specific Apache Spark user cases. Firstly, we have finance industry. Mostly banks use Hadoop alternative Spark. It helps to access and analyze many parameters in bank sectors. For example, social media profile, emails, forms, call recordings, and many more. Moreover, it gains an insight that helps to make the right decision for several zones. Then we have e-commerce industry. In e-commerce, it helps us with information about real-time transaction. Those are passed through streaming cluster algorithm. It also helps to enhance recommendation to the customers based on new trends, such as real-time examples like Alibaba, eBay using Spark in e-commerce. Then we have healthcare. The healthcare sector is one of the most developing sectors nowadays. These people always look for ways that will help to enhance the quality of healthcare. Hence, Spark is slowly becoming the part of healthcare applications. One of the best uses of Spark in healthcare is analysis of patient record along with the past clinical data. It helps to identify which patients are likely to face health issues later on. This step prevents hospital readmittance since it is possible to deploy home service to identified patients now. Also saves cost for both the hospitals and patient. Then we have media and entertainment industry. In gaming, we use Spark to identify patterns from real-time in-game event. It helps to respond in order to harvest lucrative business opportunities. For example, targeted advertising, auto-adjustment of gaming level, complexity, player retention, etc. In addition, some video sharing websites use Spark along with MongoDB. It helps to show relevant advertisements to the users based on the videos they view, share and browse. Some real-time companies which are using Sparks are Yahoo, Netflix, Pinterest, etc. Then we have travel industries. Travel industries use Apache Spark rapidly. It helps the user to plan a perfect trip for speeding up the personalized recommendation. They also use it to provide advices to the travelers by comparing many websites to find the best hotel price. Also to review the process of hotel in a readable format, and it is done by using Spark. In addition, some apps use Spark to provide us a platform for online reservation. They are using Spark to manage ample restaurants and dinner reservation at the same time. The speed achieved by them is only possible by using Apache Spark. Hope the video gave you a good understanding of what Apache Spark is. Hope to see you again. Happy learning, Intellipaat.
Just a quick info, guys. Intellipaat offers state-of-the-art data analytics course in association with IITM Pravartak. Through this course, you can learn all the important tools and concepts of data analysis such as Power BI, data wrangling, data mining, etc. from esteemed IIT Madras faculties and industry experts. With this course, we already have helped thousands of professionals in successful career transition. You can check out their testimonials on our Achievers channel, whose link is given in the description below. Without a doubt, this course can set your career to new heights. So visit the course page link given below in the description and take a first step towards career growth in the field of data analytics.